Good morning, Miss Cargan. I hope you have pleasant stay with us. May I confirm that you're checking out today uh, from the deluxe room after 3 nights? Verifying your name, ma'am. Tara Carrion from room 102. Let me prepare your final bill, ma'am. Additionally, we're include charge for minibar and laundry service. Here your final receipt, ma'am. How you settle your payment, ma'am? Cash or card? You also requested a transportation to the airport. May I confirm your flight time, ma'am? Your airport transport is scheduled at the 10 a.m. The vehicle will be waiting at the main entrance before departure. May I kindly have your key card back, ma'am? Thank you so much for staying with us, Miss Karian. We hope you have a comfortable stay with us. We look forward to welcoming you soon again. Have a safe flight, ma'am.